Hello everybody, today in this video I'll show you how to easily join servers on Discord Mobile. So let's jump right into it. First we go ahead and open Discord and then tap on the three lines on the top left corner. After that tap on the plus, tap on join server in the bottom, and then paste the invitation link that you have received. Once you do that, tap on join server and then this window pops up. Tap on accept invite. Once you do that, you'll be added to that server successfully. Now if you haven't received an invite or you want to join a public server, go to your browser, make sure that you are in discord.com, the desktop site, and then tap on open Discord. Wait for a minute. After that, tap on the plus, this one right here, and then after that tap on join a server and then tap on don't have an invite. You'll get a lot of suggestions you can join, or if you want to search for a specific server, go ahead and type the name. Say I want to join this first one, tap on it, and then from the bottom, once it loads up, go to the button right here and tap on follow or join server. And that's how we do it, guys. I hope this video was helpful. Please like and comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe for future videos like this one, and thank you for watching.